So now these two questions are also on tree. Okay, so let's see the first question here. Following nodes are inserted into an empty binary search tree. BST means binary search tree in the given order 10, 1, 3, 5, 15, 12, 16. What is the height of the binary search tree? See, in because the height is different in different textbooks, so it is always mentioned in the gate question what they are asking. The height is the maximum distance of a leaf node from the root node. Okay, so leaf means at the end and root means at the top. So what is the height of this tree after making the tree in this order? So let's say 10 is inserted, 1 is less than 10, so 1 is here, 3 is less than 10 but it's greater than 1, so 3 is here, 5 is less than 10, greater than 1, greater than 3, so 5 is here, 15 is just greater than 10, 12 greater than 10, less than 15, so 12, 16 greater than 10, greater than 15. So here the what is the height from the maximum distance? This is our root node, this is our leaf node. Maximum distance, these are also leaf node, but the maximum distance will always be our height. This is our height. See, 1, 2 and 3. Let's see like this, 1, 2 and 3, so 3. So the answer is 3 here. So always check the mentioned height here. Okay, so always it will be mentioned in your question also. So the height is 3 here. So now let's move on to our next question. Don't get scared by seeing the question only. So this is not very difficult, easy actually. So what is asked here? Structure is created. Within a structure another structures are created because of left child and right child. Okay, so now here our function is do something. So this is to not to give you a hint what is it is doing. So this do something is given in the question. Struct cell node star pointer is created, int value is 0. If pointer is not equals to null, so if the pointer is not null, then go to our next. If pointer arrow left child is not equals to null, means the tree has some left child. Okay, so the tree has some left child. So what we will do? So next, value equals to, value was initialized to 0, value will be incremented to 1 and 1 plus do something and left child. So 1, the value will be incremented to 1 and again left child will be called like this, left and left it will be called. Now once the left child is becomes null, then we will go to our next if statement. Same thing, pointer arrow right child not equals to null, same thing wait till it is, if it is not null then we will go to our right child. And see, now see the main thing here, value is, so value will be maximum, the value it was initialized, not initialized, it was changed later, plus comma 1 plus do something ptr right child. So what is this? This is basically finding the height. See, here we have seen this was our maximum was our in left position, minimum was in our right position. The same thing is doing here, nothing is different, same thing is doing here. Since left, see, just see the keyword max here, max means maximum value will be stored. So maximum was in left child, so we will take the left child, or in other case if it was in say like the 17, 18 like this, so in this case we will take the right child, we will do the same, do something ptr arrow right child. So this in this way in the right child will be more, so the maximum value will take the right hand side subtree. So this is basically finding the height of the tree. So height of the tree is correct answer. So now number of leaf nodes, what will be our leaf nodes, what will be the recursion when both the right subtree, right child and left child and right child is equals to null, then we will do leaf nodes. This is not true. Number of nodes, we will count all the nodes. So this is also not true. Number of internal nodes, when it will have both left and right cell, will not be equals to null, then it will be our internal node. So this is also not true. So here we are finding the height of the tree. So this is this kind of questions are also asked. So yeah, you just don't have to do the question by your own. So in GATE it is, because it is easy, so you just have to evaluate what you are what their question is asking, not you have to write all the whole thing on your own. So this is a good thing. So practice more about kind of this kind of question if you can find, so that will be helpful.